It's finally here.
Hello everyone,
You see that
nice to meet you.
glisten
Okay, in
clouds in
this
the air.
video I want to talk about modal verbs. I put modal verbs 1 here because this is one from several. Actually we have more modal verbs, but in this video I will have only request, advice, over and suggestion. Okay, talk about the first, that is over. The modal auxiliaries are would, can, shall, and should. Over, we have to over something, over to do something. Over something means that we give something to person, so to other person or to the second person. Over to do something means that we are willing to do something, or actually the first person is willing to do a favor or to give help. Let's see, you can have more books about sport or health inside. So the first person offer some books. Would you like some vegetables as the topping? So the first person offers vegetables. Should I find a new coach for your team? I, here, surely the first person offers a favor to help or offers a help, that is to find a new coach. Would you like me? Beautiful idiot. Would you like me? Because the one who offers is the first person. Would you like me to take care of the injured athletes? So the first person want to help, that is taking care of the injured athletes. If you omit here, omit me, so would you like to take, it means that it is request, because the second person asks for a help. That's why if it is an offer, you must have me here. Okay, let's go to request. We have would, will, could, and can. Would, will, or could, it is for or they are to show the formal, or they are used in formal situation, or they are more polite. Can is less polite. Would you tell me how to keep the body's weight? Would you tell me? It means that the first person asks the second person to do a favor for her or for him. Would you like to tell? Would you mind telling? They are the same, actually, the same meaning what I mean, but difference in the form. Would you tell? Here you have one. Would you like to tell? There is like and to tell. And then would you mind telling? Telling is in the form of gerund or put one in. Can you get me some fresh water? So it is less polite. Between friends like that. Note here, would like, would like in positive sentence can mean intention. I would like to show you how to stay healthy. So this is in positive and this is in questions. If it is in questions, the meaning is to request, but in positive we have intention. Okay, the next is advice, should and ought to. We have giving advice and asking for advice. Surely if it is giving advice, you have positive and negative, and asking for advice you have in question. You have the sentence in question. You should exercise regularly to be healthier. You ought to avoid eating vegetables. It is the advice for the second person. Can we change this into, the subject into the first person or the third person? Surely. If you want to advise yourself, so you can have I should exercise regularly. I should. If the advice is aimed to the third person, so you can have they, you can have the students should exercise regularly to be healthy. So it's up to you. You want to give the advice for the first person, the second person, or the third person. It depends only for the subject. You ought to avoid eating vegetables, so this is in negative. Asking for advice. What shall I do? What shall I do? So we use the WH question. You can have when, you can have where, you can have how. So it's up to you. It depends on what you want to ask. And then we can also have it like here. Should I add the portion of the food for every meal? Should I? Yeah. And then we have the suggestion here. Should and shall. Suggestion here means this is not giving an opinion of a certain case, but this is giving an idea for the first and the second person to do something together. That's why here is we. So the subject is we. Be careful with that. We have should, the same, and this is also should, but it is the first person, I, only, because the one who gives the advice, the one who asks for the advice is the first person. But here, shall we, this is you and I. Should we stay here? Should we stay here for more days? This is the same meaning as let's stay here. Or how about staying here for more days? So you and I stay here. Shall we make our own pizza? So the same. Let's make our own pizza. So you and I make our own pizza. Yeah. So be careful with the word should and shall. We have it in some expression. We have in suggestion. We have in advice. We have also as an over. So it depends on the meaning of the sentence, or it depends on what you want to express. And then for should and shall, they can replace each other. So you can use should I, or you can have shall I. So it is okay. Okay, I think for this part, my explanation is enough. I hope that you can differentiate from advice, suggestion, over, and also request. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.